In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Jotform to WordPress in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to gather feedback, conduct surveys, or register participants for an event, embedding a form directly into your WordPress site can significantly enhance user experience. Don't worry if you've never done this before. I'll guide you through every step of the way, ensuring that by the end, you'll feel like a pro. Let's dive in. First, let's start by visiting Jotform's website. Jotform is an incredibly versatile online form builder that lets you create custom forms for almost any purpose imaginable. Once you're on their site, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't set one up yet, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and straightforward, plus they offer a range of subscription options, including a free tier that might just suit your needs. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is where all your form creations come to live. For our purpose today, locate a form you've created previously that you'd like to embed on your WordPress site. If you haven't created a form yet, no worries. Jotform's interface makes it easy to whip one up in no time. Once you've found the perfect form, hover over it and click on Edit Form. Now that your form is open, look for the Publish button at the top of the page and click on it. This will bring you to the publishing options for your form. From here, you're going to want to select Embed. Jotform offers various embedding options, but since we're focusing on WordPress, go ahead and click on the WordPress option provided. This will generate a code specifically optimized for WordPress sites. With the code revealed, click on Copy Code to grab it. This snippet is what will allow us to embed the form directly into your WordPress site. The next part of our journey will take us over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged into your WordPress account, navigate to the page or post where you wish to embed your Jotform. In the WordPress editor, you'll notice an add icon, often represented by a plus sign. Clicking on this will allow you to add new blocks to your page. In the search bar that appears, type in embed to find the embed block. Drag and drop this block into your preferred spot on the page. After placing the embed block, you'll see a field where you can paste the code you copied from Jotform. Here's a small but crucial tip. Ensure that you remove any extraneous text within the embed code that says embed words, as leaving this in can sometimes cause issues with the display of your form. Once you've pasted and adjusted the code as necessary, go ahead and click embed, and just like that, you're all set. Your Jotform is now expertly embedded into your WordPress site, ready for your visitors to interact with. It's worth mentioning that you should always preview your page before publishing it, just to make sure everything looks exactly how you envisioned. If something doesn't quite look right, don't hesitate to go back and adjust. Remember, embedding forms into your WordPress site can not only improve user engagement, but also streamline the process of collecting and managing data. It's a win-win. And with Jotform's intuitive interface and robust features, creating and embedding forms is simpler than ever. That wraps up our tutorial on how to add Jotform to WordPress in under 5 minutes. I hope this video has proved useful and that you feel more confident in your ability to enhance your WordPress site with dynamic, custom forms. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Happy form building, and until next time.